Hello again, everyone. It's What's New Wednesday.
We're going to start off again today with some new materials we've recently added to our collection. New materials this week include The Wizards of Once, Never and Forever. The best-selling author of How to Train Your Dragon, Cressida Cowell, brings us The Wizards of Once, Never and Forever, the final entry in her epic Wizards of Once juvenile series in which wizards and warriors must team up to battle an ancient and dreadful evil. A new Tom Clancy novel, Shadow of the Dragon by Marc again follows the adventures of Jack Ryan in his search for a missing Chinese scientist who may hold the key to explaining the disturbing noises emanating from the ocean floor. Michael J. Fox gives us No Time Like the Future, an optimist considers mortality. Diagnosed with Parkinson's disease at age 29, he has strived to raise awareness of the disease through his foundation, and this biography covers his struggle to maintain his optimism through devastating odds and heartbreaking setbacks. And in case you're not tired of politics, the 44th President Barack Obama has released the first volume of his presidential memoirs. It is an intimate and introspective look at his time as president and covers his unique perspective in dealing with multiple crises during his time in office. And finally, we have the film Mary, Queen of Scots, starring Saoirse Ronan as the 16-year-old Queen of France, who at 18 returns to her native Scotland to claim her rightful throne from Elizabeth I, the Queen of England, played by Margot Robbie. This historical drama tells of the rivalry, rebellions, and cost of power.
Remember, these materials are available in our libraries during business hours or through curbside service.
As you probably know, our county is experiencing a spike in coronavirus cases. At this time, Muhlenberg County Public Libraries will continue to be open to the public with our current business hours, but we will be enforcing strict occupancy limits.
If you visit the library during a busy time, be aware that you may be asked to wait outside until other patrons have finished their business and left the building.
We will continue to offer curbside service by appointments on Tuesdays and Thursdays. You may call us at 270-338-4760 to reserve your items and make an appointment for pickup, or you may place holds on our online catalog for items you would like to borrow.
We strongly encourage all Muhlenberg Countyans to use this curbside service whenever possible in order to help ensure the health and safety of all of our staff and patrons.
In other coronavirus-related news, this will likely come as no surprise, but we must officially announce today that our annual Jubilee of Trees event at Thistle Cottage has been canceled.
We look forward to the Jubilee of Trees every year, and we are heartbroken to cancel this year's event. However, with the high number of cases our county has seen recently, we cannot in good conscience ask any visitors, or, of course, Santa Claus, to risk their health by attending such an event.
We're still hoping to find a safe alternative to our annual event, but we are still working on that. Please continue to follow us for more news to come on that front.
Although we have canceled the Jubilee of Trees, we do have several other activities going on at the library for our patrons to participate in.
For middle and high school students, we are hosting a favorite book essay contest this month. To participate in this contest, all you need to do is write a one-page essay about your favorite book, including a summary, why you loved it, and what it taught you.
Just please make sure you submit your essays using the contest entries form on our website no later than 4 p.m. on November 30th. We will award a prize to the best essays in each of 2 age groups.
We also have another prize opportunity this month for patrons of all ages. Our Book Buddy program runs through November 30th.
Just refer a friend to sign up for a library card before the end of the month. When they get their card, you'll both be entered in our prize drawing.
We are also continuing to offer craft kits for children and teens through December at least.
Storytime aged patrons, about 18 months to 5 years old, can receive a free craft kit to use at home every week from now until the holidays. The last kit of the year will go out the week of December 14th through 18th.
Elementary, middle, and high school students also have one more opportunity to receive take-home craft kits. The final batch of those kits will be available for pickup November 30 through December 4th.
If you haven't already registered to receive these kits, you can do so at the link in the video description or our accompanying social media posts.
Due to the holidays, the registration deadline for student kits is earlier than usual this month. You will need to be registered no later than 4 p.m. on Wednesday, November 25th to receive the December kits.
Muhlenberg County Public Libraries will be closed for the Thanksgiving holiday on Thursday, November 26th and Friday, November 27th, so we will be unable to take any registrations after the end of the day Wednesday. But we don't want anyone to miss out on these kits, so please make sure you register before that time.
Call us at 270-338-4760 if you have any questions about the craft kits or any of our other activities.
And don't forget, we post new videos every single weekday. You can always check out our videos, past and present, on Facebook or YouTube to see what else we have released.
Yesterday we shared a fun fall-themed craft tutorial from Rena, so you may want to check that out, as well as Monday's book recommendation, also from Rena.
And tomorrow, I'm sharing a special Throwback Thursday video about my own experiences with vintage cookbooks. That was a fun one, and I hope you'll all enjoy watching it at least as much as I enjoyed recording it.
And as always, we'll have a Family Fun Friday video at the end of the week. Miss Susan is talking about musical instruments this week.
That's all we have for today. Thanks for joining us again this morning. Please take care of yourselves, stay safe, and have a great week.